Welcome back to the America Best Appliances channel. We bring you the best info on home appliances. Visit our website at americabestappliances.com for all your appliance needs. Before we get started, please like and subscribe.
Is a ventless dryer a good choice for your home? Ventless dryers are a good choice for homes that don't have a venting system. They are also a good choice for homes with restricted venting systems. Ventless dryers work by using the moisture in the air to remove water from clothes. It uses an electric heating element and a fan to circulate air inside the drum. A ventless dryer will not be as efficient as a vented dryer because it doesn't use outside air to cool down the heated air inside the drum. The temperature of the clothing will be hotter than what you would get with a vented dryer, but this is not necessarily bad because they are designed for drying clothes that are less prone to shrinking or wrinkling. Like cotton, are ventless dryers safe to use? Ventless dryers are a newer type of dryer that doesn't require a vent to operate. They are considered safer than traditional dryers because they don't risk gas leaks. The main benefit of ventless dryers is that they do not require any ducting or venting. It means there is no risk for gas leaks or fires as with traditional dryers. Ventless dryers also take up less space and have a smaller installation footprint, which makes them perfect for small apartments and condos. However, not all homes are suitable for a ventless dryer installation. If you live in an older home with an electric heating system and no central air conditioning, you may need to install an exhaust fan to remove moist air from your home during the summer months. Is a ventless dryer a good investment in energy efficiency? Ventless dryers are better than their counterparts because they don't use any air vent. The dryer does not have to extract moisture through the exhaust system. The dryer is only vented through the chimney, which means the heat is not lost. It also reduces energy consumption and increases efficiency. Is a ventless dryer the best option for you? Ventless dryers are an excellent option for people who live in apartments or condos. They also work well for people who want to reduce their energy consumption and save money on their utility bills. Ventless dryers are not the best option if you have a lot of laundries to do or if you want to use a drying rack. Ventless dryers also don't work well in humid climates because they can cause clothes to shrink and damage.
It was our pleasure to spend some time with you. Thank you for watching the America Best Appliances channel. Let us know what you think of this video in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Again, visit americabestappliances.com for all your home appliance needs.